morning, people. So last night I saw The Batman. I was supposed to go see it on opening night, and I always see Batman on opening night. It's Batman. I named my son Bruce. But unfortunately, I accidentally double booked and went to see Theory of a Dead Man in concert instead. Got tickets to go the next night, which was last night. Something amazing happened right before I went to see The Batman. The UPS man, AKA Santa Claus, decided to deliver my brand new Sony FX3 camera rig. So if you guys have been following me for any length of time, you know that I love cameras, and you know that we have a ton of camera equipment at our main offices, and I'm just super into like Blackmagic cameras and Reds and all this stuff. And I decided that I was gonna get a camera for me to like vlog and make my own little things, and not one of these big cameras that I have that you can't really carry around. And so I did some research. I bought Casey Neinstat's filmmaking course and checked out what he used, and I decided to go with the Sony FX3 and a whole slew of accessories specifically meant for like vlogging and making your own movies. And so I get all the equipment in right before the movie. Didn't know how to use it because it's a new camera, don't know how to use it. I've never worked on Sonys. And so I thought, you know what? How about I vlog going to see Batman just to test out the new camera? And yes, this is the Sony FX3 with a Sigma 14 to 24 millimeter art lens on it that you're watching me now. And what's cool about this camera is with my other cameras, they're professional cinema cameras, so everything is manual. Focus, aperture, white balance, color, all this stuff. What's cool about this camera is that it will track your face, and so no matter where you are, it keeps you in focus. See? I'm still in, look at the eye, look at the eye, look at the eye, look at the eye. And it automatically puts you in focus. So you can run and gun, and it just makes life a lot easier. Plus, it looks amazing. The picture is amazing. So here's my vlog on going to see Batman. All right, so I'm about ready to go see Batman. Gotta turn off my light, my guitar that's still plugged into my amp. Boom. Backpack. All right, here we go. We're going to Batman. All the lights are off. Let me make sure the door's locked. It is. All right, so now we are on our way to see Batman. I'm like stupid excited. You have no idea how excited I am to see Batman. This is gonna be freaking amazing. I don't even know what to expect. I mean, you got the guy, Robert Pattinson from Twilight, and he's playing Batman. All right, let's go. Let's go, let's go, let's go. I'm ready. We're getting in the car. Booyah. So I'm not even gonna try to lie right now. I'm exhausted. I got up today super early, prepared for my webinar. I did my webinar, spoke for almost 3 hours, and then right after it was over, I had a client of mine come over, one of my one-on-one clients.
Yo, Dan's program, it literally changed my life. And I thought he was a douchebag, but...
Oh, I'm still a douchebag. I'm not gonna get out of there until 2:15, which means I'm probably not gonna get to bed until at least 3 a.m. I'll sleep when I'm dead. Let's go. And they said that I could vlog in here. So that's pretty cool. Let's go. Oh, my shit's falling out. I cannot wait. Look at it, it's like a dark corridor. It's a dark corridor. Okay, where's it at? Where's it at? All right, where do we order food? Theater 6. Theater 6. Theater 6. Oh no. Oh no, there it is. About to go in. I'll let you know how the movie is when I get out.
I don't even know what to say. That was incredible. I'm not gonna lie to you, that was the most... First of all, that movie was 3 hours long. My bladder hates me, but I can't even describe how good that was. I mean, every scene, every piece of cinematography, every color choice, lighting choice, dialogue, just every shot was perfection. The story, even though it was 3 hours long, it didn't matter. Like, everything was so well crafted and painted like a fine brush, stroke after stroke. It was a f***ing masterpiece. I'm not gonna lie to you, I came into this pretty skeptical. Robert Pattinson being Batman, the dude from Twilight, I was told it would be like a horror movie, noir film, and it was. It was literally like a suspenseful horror art film, detective drama with sort of like a Sin City vibe sprinkled on. It was incredible. The Batmobile was amazing, and the sound, the score, not even just the score, but the sound effects, and the music chosen, and the timing, and everything was just so well placed. It was so good. It was so good. It was worth the 2-year wait. It was so good, and I'm a critical Batman fan. It was so. I gotta go home, but it was so good. Even if you never saw Batman, even if you never even knew who Batman was, you would be absolutely. This film is breathtaking, regardless of if you know anything about. You don't have to be a superhero fan. That's all I'm gonna say.
Just to show you, this is the aftermath of me getting all this stuff in. There's just so much stuff. Just so much stuff in a random pair of balls. And this is what the camera looks like. Boom. See? Like so. If y'all would like me to do a video on my Sony FX3 vlogging setup, the bougiest of vlogging setups, I'd be happy to do it. So I'd like to end this video by sharing what I really learned about this movie as it applies to life and business. You see, especially in business, a lot of times people think that they can't take an idea that maybe has a way of thinking behind it that's been done the same way for years and years and years, or a product, or a service, or some sort of offer that has always been done a certain way, or that is boring, or that has a certain stigma to it. And a lot of people don't realize that they can really freshen it up and make it brand new and interesting to so many people, just like the Batman. When I went into this movie, I thought that I was going to see the same old, and it was so different, so fresh, so new, that it was almost like I wasn't watching a superhero film. Like, it was Batman, and it was a superhero film, but not really. Like, it was a whole new spin. No matter how much something has been done a certain way for however long, you can always put a new spin on it and have massive success. The most toxic phrase in the English language is, but we've always done it that way. So the next time that you think that your idea is lame or boring, or you can't make it exciting, or you can't make it different, go watch Batman. Don't forget to subscribe, and let me know if you'd like to see more videos like this from me, where I vlog my life and how I'm doing something in business and all that jazz. Oh, and go see the Batman. Deuces. I'm vengeance.